Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you basically how to check Twitch password. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and open up the Twitch website, right? And you're gonna log in with your account. And basically, what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just click on forgot password and and under the login fields, input the email associated with your Twitch account and click reset password. Check your email for a password reset link from Twitch. Follow the link and then set a new password. Note, Twitch does not allow you to view your current password for security reasons. You can only reset it to something new. So basically, if you are using iPhone, you can go back to your screen and then go ahead to the settings, go ahead to the password, so you're gonna be able to see all of your passwords, including the Twitch password. So that's one of the comments of this video. Hope you don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you.